The Blueberry board packages our DIY experience and customizability into a mechanical keyboard kit. We want to expand this incredible hobby of building DIY keyboards. We did away with all the excess plastic that most keyboards have, resulting in an elegant, minimalistic design suited for every setup. The design allows for an ergonomic typing experience with an angled frame. Our keyboard offers 3 switch choices: blue, brown and red, to cater to everyone's typing needs. The keyboard comes in many variations with different colors and materials. Customizability doesn't stop there. Users can even create layers on their keyboard to add, for example, a number pad, mouse functionality, macros, and much more.